Changing your primary email on Aman Bank Switzerland is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your email is updated correctly. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Aman Bank Switzerland website and log into your online banking account using your username and password. Step 2. Navigate to your account settings. Once logged in, locate the account settings or profile section in the main menu. This is where you can manage your personal information. Step 3. Select email preferences. In the account settings, find the option for email preferences or contact information. Click on this option to proceed to update your email. Step 4. Update your primary email. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SRAP to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breached data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 5. Save changes and confirm. After entering your new email, click the Save or Update button. You may receive a confirmation email at your new address to verify the change. Once you have completed these steps, your primary email will be updated. Always remember to check your new email for any confirmation messages from the bank.